sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to make a little buzzer make noise using the Raspberry Pi Pico, or we could use the Maker Pi Pico since it has an onboard buzzer. But if we're using an external buzzer, we can also use that. So as you can see right here under this tab, there's just a simple script here, and we're using GPIO pin 18, and you can adjust the frequency of the speaker here, the volume of the speaker here, and the delay of how long you want the buzzer to make the sound in seconds. So if we go ahead and hit this, I'm sure you should be able to hear that, but it just buzzed, and we can turn the volume up just by editing this. So let's just turn it up to 800, and as you can see, the volume increased. So let's change the frequency of the buzzer, and there we go. So you can play with this. Now this is just a simple script to make it just buzz, but if you want to be a little more comical, we can move over here and actually play a little bit of tunes with it. And as you heard, so and you should be able to adjust that frequency maybe. So let's go ahead and that made it a little bit louder. Alright, so like I said, I'm using the ground on the speaker, going to ground on the Pico, and GPIO 18. Now you can use a different pin, but for the Maker Pi that I have currently hooked up, it's using GPIO 18 since it's already soldered onto the board. But if you're using an external active buzzer, then you can pick a different pin if you feel like. GPIO well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it doesn't really matter. You just have to pick the right one that works. So, other than that, I'll throw a link in the description for the code for both scripts on my website there, and I can throw in a little video in this video of it beeping, but I'm sure you guys could hear it. So, alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.